Hello, we're going to go over how to use Google Calendar to automate your weekly Google Meets. First, you'll need to download Google Calendar in self-service. It's available there. Once you download it, you're going to want to open it. Hit the plus sign in the bottom corner to create an event. You'll want to give it a title. You're going to add guests. Make sure you invite the principals, Mr. Williams and Dr. Perez. And then you're going to want to invite your students. You invite your students by getting a class roster in front of you and just typing in the numeric ID number. Once you type the numeric ID numbers in, student names will pop up. You want to select your kids. The one nice part about doing it this way is once you do set up the meeting, you can set it to reoccur the days of the week that you would like. So I'm going to set a meeting up for Friday with 2 students in a small group that we need to go over a topic with. And so I'm going to click down for more, and it does repeat every week on Friday. The location that I put is remote class. You can put an address in for the school or Plainfield Public Schools, but that might be a little bit confusing since we are working remotely. You'll add a color code if you'd like. You can also add the Google Meet. So you want to make sure you add the video conferencing, and you add a note. What is this for? Well, this is my remote class, Pedrick. If there's any sort of other notes you want to add, you put them there, it'll show up. And you can also add attachments from your Google Drive. So I have some attachments that I recently have used. I'm not going to attach anything to this, but if it was a worksheet or some sort of tutorial site, I am titling it at the end, which I probably should have done at the beginning, but either way, you have your title, you save it, and it shows up on your calendar, and it will keep repeating every week until you tell it to stop. Hopefully this makes scheduling the meetings easier. It should be easier for students as well. When you open Google Meet and you flip up, you can see all your scheduled meetings for the day, and the students will too. Hopefully this helps you out, and have a good day.